Hi, welcome back. Let's have a look at some more amazing and new features of HTML5. In the previous two chapters, we have already discussed few basic features of this new standard of HTML. It's high time to know about the rest and the most important elements and about how to implement them. Henceforth, taking a leap ahead, we shall discuss on how to use the nav tag to mark navigation. It is explicitly a section of Imagine Navigation link. We can use the nav tag property for displaying menu of your home page. Within the nav tag, all we have to do is place the menu in the listed pattern, and then we can apply normal CSS property to display the menu or listed items. Our next topic is creating an article. Let us first start with this article tag. The article element represents a self-contained composition in a document, page, application, or site, and it can be independently distributed or can be reused. Now we have a look at how do we create a new article. All we have to do is within the body tag, we have to type article tag, and then within it we can include n number of elements. Your elements can be paragraph, videos, list, audios, images, figures, and many more. Here below you can see a syntax where we have placed the heading under the h1 tag and a paragraph within the p tag. We shall see a detailed example later on. Let us take our knowledge to a level higher. We shall now learn how to define a section. Well, the section element represents a generic section of a document or application. In order to define a section, we must start up with a section tag, within which we can place innumerable elements. Make a note that you must close the section tag. Here we are with a simple example. Here we have mentioned a section tag, and within that we have kept a heading ceremony with an h2 tag, and below that we have maintained an ordered list, and then later on we have closed the section. Next, we come up with the aside tag. The name of the element itself suggests that it is used to mark up content in a sidebar. It does not affect the layout of your web page. To make it effective, we shall discuss its syntax below. Here we can see that there is a aside tag and it is also closed at the bottom. Within the aside tag, we have placed header portion, and then we have also included a navigation tag. Next, our last is creating a footer. A footer element represents the footer for your web page or article body full set section. One can include privacy policy, terms and use, copyright information into the footer. One can also include social risks, RSS feeds within the footer. So let us see a sample syntax for this. We can see there it's written footer role is equal to content info. It means that we are going to include the information of our web page within the footer. So we have included a copyright text within the para tag, and then we have included the privacy policy and terms within the list. So now combining all these tags that we have learned today, that are nav tag, articles, aside, section, footer, let us compose a new example. So for that we'll start our Dreamweaver. Here we have already a pre-made code. So here you can see we have mentioned the article tag here, that we have maintained inline properties of CSS. Within the article tag we have mentioned a paragraph, and within the same article there is also section tag. We have also mentioned the aside tag. Within the aside tag you can see there are block quotes, then address tags. These are all the new features of HTML5, and there you can see below is the footer tag. So now let us run this on the browser. On running this, you can see the output is over here. So this dark gray section is the main article. Within that, this is the section 1, this is section 2, and these are the two aside properties that has been placed within the main div. And below, on scrolling down, you can see there is a footer tag. Within the footer tag, it's the copyright 2013, it's a paragraph. Thank you.